Hi, welcome to Sportix. It's me, Abdul Anas. Today we are going to talk about what is Sportix and what we are doing. So we are mostly focusing like a software development company, and what we are providing you through this YouTube channel is also precious. So what we are going to do is like we'll be giving you more videos like technology, development, programming, all these kind of things we'll be providing through this channel. And mostly we'll be like focusing on like high quality contents like how you can create and how it can be written, like by just showing you like a videos related to coding, all these things. And what is Sportis? Let me start with that one. Sporties is like located in Kerala, India. So we are mostly focusing like development about mobile app, web development, all these kind of things. So we'll be focusing about like modern technologies, and we are good at problem solving. Like maybe you want to make some innovative things like related to softwares. We'll be doing mostly on that one. And what we are doing other is like we are just giving the training as well for to make good developers, just to make more quality development from to the world. That's what we are doing. And the training is mostly on the native language like Malayalam itself. So we are planning to come into English, but it's not soon. Maybe it can be done later. And mostly we'll be focusing and we'll be providing you is like what we can do in this YouTube channel is like we can give you some quality content about programming. So we already given this kind of programming videos in Malayalam channel. So you can check it out. But I hope you most of them are not Malayalis. So Malayalis means like a Malayalam language people talking. So that's the thing. So we will be giving you high quality contents. And for you to know more about Sportis or things, you can check out our website, all these things. And we'll be giving a community to know more about programming. Or if you need a help, all these things you can come into our community and you can ask. And we will be giving you the link to join that community. And currently we are planning to start the community in the Telegram. And afterwards we will be planning to move into different platforms like newsletters, all these things. So if you're interested, you can check it in the description. So I hope you understand what is Sportis and what we are going to give from this YouTube channel. So thank you.